Introducing the stunning 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan A7 RL 2.0tdi D7F 150 5-door auto in blue. This powerhouse comes loaded with features like satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and ambient lighting. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. The sleek chrome package and privacy glass add to the style of this estate or Jeep. With a stop and start system for efficiency and a powertrain warranty for peace of mind, this vehicle is the total package. Rest assured, each of our vehicles undergoes a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line Tiguan. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie today for